Oh, hello, it's me, Gigi. I have go a bed a little. I tried the bed. I played games on my iPod for a very. I wrote it on 4 errors. Now we're doing part 2. Meet more stars. LT is a red. It is a greenish blue white famous star. You can find it in the constellation super duper far. Is the brightest star in our universe, in the whole universe. You can find it in the constellation. And its other stars called NG34581. It's hard to find it with the human eyes, cause it's shines bright closer to you. It's a red-orange giant star, like we join on the line of your centers. Pollux have another white dwarf star named Ganymede. You can find it in the constellation Standing. It fastens to the sun, and then any other stars. Overwhelmed. A red giant star. A red orange giant star. It's 4 times billion bigger than our sun. Did you know that our world was discovered by 1960 105? Then blue white supergiant. You can find it in the constellation super far away. Polaris. This is known as famous North Star. You can find it in the constellation. It's super massive and the Earth. You can find it in the constellation. It's named Arcturus. 2 times 100 billion times away from the sun. Cause it is named by its covered in 1965. A different type of star. It's known as a blue supergiant, bigger than all the others. You can find it in the constellation Canis Major. SQ 145 star in the universe with tons feeling bigger than the sun and bigger than all and Jupiter. You are Camis Magellan, a red giant star. It's a red hypergiant, bigger than the other stars. You can find it in the Constellations. So we got one more black hole star. This might be huge, and all the others. Crash or star, also known as black hole star. Like the black holes, like S2033 is one of those. It's just 300 billion across. I hope you join this video. Link under and subscribe under your channel. And we do the moon-sized comparison in chapter 8. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.